Okay, it's Wednesday, November 16th, just following up on Amazon. You can see here, buying it at the yellow line, price kind of consolidated a little bit and now has moved up as anticipated for a very short-term gain. There's only a little over 5 minutes to go in trading. You're up over 50 cents on the trade. I don't know how much higher it's going to go before the end of the day, but if you look at it between the blue lines here, this was kind of the fair value gap that was discussed on the 15-minute chart. When you kind of watched intraday structure, you saw something down here that should have some pretty good support in terms of after the price eventually broke the first bar high and then had some inefficiency in here. It came back to kind of fill that in, and now we're heading up here on the 15-minute chart. So that was the type of thing, again, nothing, it's not the greatest trade in the world, but it's just, kind of going with price action here. And kind of anticipating what likely should happen. So now we're moving up, towards the end of the session here. More importantly, in the bigger picture, this is the type of thing, the way I see it also, Amazon, it's come down to the halfway point of the prior week, and that's where it should bounce. But if we end up with kind of a shooter bar here, we have 2 days to go in the week, and we don't reach our 2-up target, which is here, then maybe into next week, if we have anything that looks like a 2-down week, that's not going to be good for the stock. So keep that in mind. That's a bigger picture look. As of now, with 2 days to go in the week, it's hard to say how this bar is going to end up, but it could be failing in terms of reaching its target, and then anything 2 down on the week could project back to those lows. But at least for now, short term, trend is up, and this is type of price action where it created just a little opportunity when you were scanning around the board and looking for something. And you can see here, buying it heading down into this zone. Eventually it works strongly back to the upside, at least for a short term type of trade.